ArmoníaPlus 2.0 introduces the use of Views Designer into the installed workspace. To access this tab, select Views Designer across the top portion of the window, or press F3 on your keyboard. The Views Designer tab is made up of 4 different windows: Web Views, Tools, Properties, and Viewport. Within Tools, we can add multiple controls to our viewport window: zone controls, single or multi, system scenes, system on or off, and image or a logo. The viewport window gives us the ability to assign, organize, and most importantly, control all the tools we have added to our viewport window. Moving to the Properties window, we have the choice to select a template or customize the size of the viewport window, as well as the option of placing this window in a horizontal or vertical arrangement. We can select the background color using 2 different colors, and lastly, we have the choice to add a background image and adjust the opacity of that image within the viewport window. Similar properties can be adjusted within controllers added to the viewport window, including size, orientation, and color. Furthermore, the ability to enable sections and to assign zones and loudspeakers to controllers is also available within the Properties windows of certain controllers. In the Web View window, we have a choice to create multiple web views, and within the Options drop-down menu, we can access a web preview of these views. For instance, here we are previewing the All Systems view via the web. By selecting the Theater web view, we can see an individual zone of our entire space. This will allow us to create complete organization and control of all areas in a venue. By selecting the viewport window within any web view, we can control properties of this individual viewport. Here is an example of the reception web view's viewport properties adjusted to fit an iPhone 11 Pro. Selecting App Views, we can see 3 windows: App Views, Viewport, and Properties. Like the web app, we create new views for PowerSoft mobile app, and in the Properties window, assign the available parameters for each app view. Here, we can see an all-system view, giving us quick access to all zones, scenes, and global power on or off. Lastly, this example of the Reception app view gives us control of a single zone of our venue and power on or off.